Hello and welcome back. Today I am working on this day bodice from Black Snail Patterns. I'm using it for a production of Little Women the Musical. I'm using it for Amy's character for when she comes back from Europe. And I'm using this bodice and I'm going to do a fuller skirt, more mid 1860s, just because we're not changing our fashions that much. I think Amy's will be a little bit different than the fuller crinoline looks, but I think that this is going to look really pretty. I've got it cut out in this nice pink silk and lining, and so what I'm doing first is I am flatlining all of the bodice pieces. So I'm just running a zigzag stitch around all of the edges just to hold them together and to also keep them from fraying. Okay, I've got my pieces flatlined. I had already marked the darts on my lining, so I'm going to pin my darts and then sew my darts and then sew the side seams together and the back seam. Okay, I have my bodice put together. I have added lace to the neckline. I just piped the neckline rather than adding a high collar. I think that will be more comfortable for our actress. And I'm now working on the sleeves. So I'm not going to flatline the sleeves, I'm going to bagline them. So I will just, I'm going to sew the fashion fabric together, and then also the lining fabric together, and then put those together, attaching them together at the wrists, and then turning it out. And so that is next on my agenda. Okay, I'm going to bagline my sleeves now. So I'm just going to do them, put the lining and the outer fabric together, right sides together. Got my sleeve pinned in. I'm going to sew it in right now. Super easy sleeve. Sleeve is in and it looks good. And so now I'm just going to finish off the sleeve, I'm going to trim my seam allowance and then zigzag around the raw edge. And then that sleeve is done. So then I have one more sleeve to do, and then the peplum. And I'm getting started on the peplum. So the peplum is basically bag lined. So we just turn it over or sew them together, right sides together, and then turn it out, and you leave an opening to turn it out, and then just, you know, press the edges. All right, I have been working on the peplum, and I got it one side of the front done, and I've just pinned it on. I haven't sewn anything yet, and I pinned on this lace on the bottom, and I think I'm gonna keep it because I think, you know, we've got the lace on the sleeves, got the lace on the collar, and I think having lace here as well, it's just very Amy, in my opinion, kind of fussy. So that's where we are right now. I'm gonna get the second side done, and then we'll do the back.